Okay, here we are with the SmartScope Flare 200 by OGP, and here's the manufacturing date. It's 2003. There's all the information, serial number and such. The computer has been totally rebuilt. All new components, even with the drives. We'll go through and there seems to be two softwares on this unit we received. It has the Cam 2 and it has Measure X. So, okay, there it goes. Right here, so I'll press this. Stage home. Okay, so it's got to go through the. It's going to go through a home sequence to find the edge. So that's moving off to the side there, and then it's going to come down and move to the center. So now it's finding the piece. I just have a blade, it's an X-Acto knife blade on there to play with. So I'm going to go ahead and focus this. Right there. And now with the features, it has the top lighting here. So we can turn the light on, and that's how you can see the surface. Now this is kind of interesting. It's got a band of lights, so you can shut off the different bands and get the shadowing or the focus area that you want. So put these back on, and even I think the quadrants. So you can take the quadrants off, so you can see that little area there would shadow if I did that. So then we can go to intensity. There's your intensity on the lighting, and this is the bottom lighting, so you can increase the bottom lighting too, which is down there. You're seeing the reflection of the top light, but the bottom light. So let's shut this up so you can see it. Okay, so you get the bottom light there. There's your bottom light. So that's what it's doing here. If you want to just do a shadow of the piece to see the outside, it's really, you can see this is a blade and it's really kind of rough there. But and this would pick up the top lighting again. And that's it. My knowledge of this machine isn't that extensive, but we can take you through it a little bit. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. So we got inches and we have millimeters. So this would be you can zero out your, so you can put your stick over, and if you wanted to measure a certain area, you would just zero that out and come down to this area right here. And that would be about that. Know the distances on that, millimeters. So that's it. Your total joystick control with this. This is the joystick. Has so zoom in, zoom out here, and then left, right, forward, backwards. It's that full keyboard, mouse, software. Like I said, this software, the MeasureX, actually works really well with it. There's another one here that you got to be online for. This Cam 2. So I assume they want you to buy something to keep it updated on the Cam 2, but it does have it. That's about it. Everything works well. We recently had it calibrated by a technician. All the calibration was good. Everything passed. So, and it also has laser. This feature right here for laser measurement. Okay, so we're going to use the laser option, and all that is, you click advanced and this screen comes up, and you would put the laser on, focused. I'm not sure how to use this, so we're just going to focus first. I'm going to go laser on. Now when that laser on, you can see that laser putting it on there. You can see that it's telling you the laser is on right there. And sensor graph is on. So I think you can pinpoint where you want the direction of it. Right now it's right on the tip. Now again, I don't know what that is, so I'm just kind of showing you the options here. So this is all the laser part of it. That is an option on the machine. So we're going to turn that off. Okay, and then it goes off, and then we're going to go back to the normal lighting on there. So it does have the laser option on there.